in the top of the list. Lord, after some time, I want to complete my miscellaneous matter.
Doctor, this I have listed only for the purpose. After I had dictated the order, file to sir. After I had dictated the order, I was seeing what relief can be given to you.
Right.
Casually, I don't know why, I just saw the affidavit. Therein I found that you were aged around 69 years when you had filed this application. So if you are 69, then in 2016, you are 68, beyond the age of retirement. But the penalty, how could they have imposed this penalty upon you after your retirement? This is what stopped me. Otherwise, I had dictated the order. The punishment that I have now imposed is, I have modified the punishment, said that to increment with cumulative effect. That's all. But now that this thing having come to my
Regarding
notice,
age factor. Age factor will be considered by page 132. 132.
132.
Page 132. Paragraph 30 and 31. It's not a phase proceeding, Lordship. It's a phase consideration on the basis of the stage of the inquiry report. Sir, reply. May kindly page that part. That part. 30 says that, Lordship, in view of the above, this court is of the clear opinion that acceptance of the inquiry report by the disciplinary authority without putting the petitioners on notice and without considering the response had vitiated the decision so taken, it cannot be said that there was substantial compliance with the procedural requirement, reliance placed so and so, so and so, so and so. Then paragraph 31. 31, my lord, may from the sixth line, Lordship, it starts from therefore, Lordship. Therefore, it may not be justified to grant the petitioner a personal hearing before the disciplinary authority on remand. However, since more than 10 years have been gone by from the date of imposition of the penalty, it would be in the interest of justice if the petitioners are permitted to submit face representation. My lord, may kindly mark it along with their earlier representation if they so desire before the disciplinary authority.
I got it.
On
Mr. Gogoi, come to para 33.
Lordship, para 33, Lordship. Para 33, Lordship, as in the light of the discussion made in above, Lordship. So, Lordship, it will be, we have to read consonant with paragraph 31.
No, once you have set aside,
Lordship,
you have remanded the matter back to that stage.
Lordship.
From that stage, it will proceed.
That stage, Lordship, only the representation is honorable court direct.
Could you impose the penalty of compulsory retirement in 2016?
Lordship, it is continuation of the process. It is not a phase proceeding, Lordship. It is continuation of the process as per the honorable court's direction, Lordship. We go by the direction of the honorable court. Honorable court did not change the de novo inquiry, Lordship.
Mr. Gogoi,
Lordship.
Once a order of penalty is set aside,
Lordship.
the effect is that even the show cause is gone.
Lordship.
But this court protected that from this stage. It's a fresh proceeding. And a fresh order would be in terms of the law.
Lordship, in the light of the discussion above, what says that
We'll
paragraph 31, Lordship.
Mr. Doctor, you want to make any submissions on this?
Lord, punishment was imposed on 31/12/2000. Even, Lordship, it is not a pleaded case also petitioner, Lordship. It is not a pleaded case also petitioner, and Lordship, that everything has done, Lordship, on the basis of the.
Find me some judgment on this.
I have the judgment, Lordship.
Which one?
Regarding pleaded case, Lordship.
Pleaded case, forget it.
Pleaded
But on
case,
this.
This is a continuation. Then, Lordship, may posted the matter immediately after vacation, Lordship. Immediately after vacation.
It's judgment to Khali Airport.
Immediately after vacation, Lordship. It's not a.
Doctor.
Yes.
Want to make some submissions on this?
69, in the year 2017, that's okay, my lord. But punishment was imposed on 31.
So you say it is correct. It's okay.
This is okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, Lordship, that cumulative, I have no objection. Cumulative part, Lordship.
Registry, heard the learned counsel for the parties at length. Registry to list this matter again on 13. Length. Mr. Doctor has submitted that there is no error in the.
Nonetheless, but I feel I should talk to my client also.
Either way, it's up to you.
Yes.
If you say there is no error, we will go ahead and decide the matter.
What I felt, but then better to ask.
I made a mistake maybe in getting this matter.
Maybe.
We'll take your thing.
Yes.
Has submitted that there is no mistake, there is no error in the penalty imposed upon the petitioner. And they say being a continuation proceeding, they said penalty was also mandated, was also permissible to be imposed upon the petitioner after he had superannuated from his services. Also, the said position is further is also supported by Mr. K. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel, Dibrugarh University. In view of the above, registry to list this matter on 13/7/2026 for delivery of for delivery of order.
So instead of 13 lordship, little later lordship.
No, I'm only delivering the
Oblige.
order is ready.
Oblige.
I'll just add this.
Oblige.
Mr. Doctor, I think you have missed out something. Anyway,
My lord,
when
that's
the
that's
Mia
reason
Bibi is Raji, what will the Kaji do?
No, what I'm saying, my lord, to that extent, I need the instruction of my client. Oblige.
This is a law point.
Yes, yes.
Okay, done. Now, I had this guilt feeling when I saw this, so I thought I'll disclose. Now I'm free.
No, but in the meantime, I'll see to that also.
Today, it should be today.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
Today itself.
Today.
Wait, please.
Because now I am free from that guilt.
I am 530 on paragraph.
We have got it. When Mr. Doctor is agreeing, who are you? Yes, Mr.
May it please your lordship. May I pray for listing of an interlocutory application tomorrow?
Interlocutory application tomorrow.
Two parties,
Oh.
one party approached the revenue authorities praying for allotment of land patta for whatever
No,
private.
this is not the forum.
No, it's for a college. That's why it was listed before the concerned bench. So I'm making the mention. We filed an impleading application saying that we also filed an application for raising.
You have been impleaded.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Immediately after that, constructions are being raised on that. So everything will be gone by the vacation, my lord. Lordship takes up tomorrow. Grateful.
My lord, in a compelling situation, I'm praying for an unlisted matter for today.
What is the urgency?
Apart from the urgency, the repetition, the one more urgency is that while on this side of the bench, your lordship was the counsel for the petitioner. But lordship may not like to take up the matter, but I inquired with the registry without there being an official order.
It will immediately, permitted,
I'm deeply obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship, may I like to make a mention for listing a application for tomorrow, my lord.
What is the urgency?
My lord, final citation is published by the SCRT, my lord.
Huh?
Final citation list was published by the SCRT, my lord, of the normal school, my lord, and my name was staff of my lord. And they are contributing to.
Anything will happen will be subject to the outcome of the case. What is the
May be taken up tomorrow, lordship. if permitted.
vacation? Okay.
Like that.
May I please your lordship? My lord, I'd like to mention item number 25, my
I
lord.
don't know why this mention is made because I kept this matter only for delivery of orders today.
No, my lord, what happened, my lord, my senior RC Bapatra Ghai.
We got it.
He's-
We'll not disturb sir
suffering
because he is having some problem. It was, I've heard you all.
No,
I had
I-
only kept it.
No, my lord, what happened, my lord, as he is suffering from a visionary problem, my lord,
No,
retinopathy.
we don't want
Today-
him.
No, today I'll have to accompany him to the hospital, my lord.
Okay.
Let this matter be
Uh,
taken up.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. R.C. Borpatra Gauhati, Learned Senior Counsel, for an adjournment in the matter on account of certain, so and so, on account of, on health grounds. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel, for the respond, for the opposing
Respondent number
party,
5, my
respondent Ayat Paribade. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 15/7/2026 for further hearing.
My lord, as a record, shall I give the medical
Your word is enough.
oblige, my lord, highly obliged.
May it please, lordship? Lordship, item number 8, we are instructed to withdraw the matter, lordship.
8.
Yes, lordship.
Your
You
your
are
name?
E. Begum.
Ms. E. Begum on. You have not filed an additional affidavit also in this matter. Ms. E. Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioner on instructions, have submitted that the petitioner desires not to press the matter any further. Accordingly, she prays that the matter be permitted to be withdrawn. So, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. So, in view of the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the writ petition stands dismissed dismissed on withdrawal.
Highly obliged here.
Yes,
Please, Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing, Lordship, on after the vacation, 15th.
all listing matters after the vacation, give it to her.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 27 for adjournment. The conducting council, P. Borolo, has some medical emergency, Lordship.
P. Bodley.
Yes, Lordship.
A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. P. Bodley, learned counsel for the petition for an adjournment in the matter. Have you taken the consent of the others?
Lordship, that I have.
Then take the consent, come back.
May I please, your Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. In item
30.
30. In item number 13, affidavit in opposition has been filed.
30.
30, Lordship. An affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of respondent number 5 that yesterday. I'd humbly pray the same may be called for, Lordship. The same may be requested.
You are not there?
Lordship.
You are there in the case?
Yes, Lordship.
T. Gogoi.
No, Lordship, T.R. Sen. Respondent
Not
number
there?
5.
Your name is not there.
Lordship.
A prayer is made on
Lordship.
behalf of Mr. D. Monto. 30? 3099.
Lordship, I'm for
30.
respondent.
Oh, respondent number 5.
5, Lordship.
Huh.
5. An affidavit in opposition has been filed. I would humbly pray the same may be called for. Deeply obliged.
My lordship, lordship, we will listing on IA tomorrow, lordship. Lordship, matter pertains to pensionary issue.
Oh, after vacations.
No, lordship, for last 1 year, more than 1 year, she has not.
Not
lordship.
tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
Lordship, lady has some medical issues, lordship.
Why did you not make a mention last week? We would have taken it up
Lordship,
today.
department has some, they has been issuing some letters after letters without any such value, lordship.
Wait for another
Thank
15
you,
days.
lordship.
We'll
For
give
last 14 months, she has not received not a single penny of pension, lordship.
When was the case filed?
This was filed 25th last part,
25.
Yes.
When was it last listed?
May.
May. Why no mention?
No, lordship, recently some order has been passed by the department. It doesn't have any effective value, lordship. So we have brought on record, so lordship.
We'll consider that effective value after the vacations.
No, probably, lordship.
And all a DDF pension.
Maybe, Lordship. I beg to mention, my lord, item 44, my lord. If we need some accommodation after vacation, my lord. Last check.
Yes, why?
After vacation, my lord, sir, accommodation.
Have you taken the consent?
Yes, I've taken the consent.
On the prayer of Mr. B. Purkhai, learned counsel for the petitioner, which is stated to have been made with the consent of the learned counsel for the respondents, registry to list this matter after the ensuing vacations on a date to be fixed by.
Right.
That's a made lordship, lordship, I beg to mention for listing for motion, lordship, tomorrow, lordship.
What is the urgency?
Lordship, similarly situated person already approached this honorable court, lordship, and honorable court passed an order, and by that word, that similarly situated person got appointed, lordship.
Or when was the selection?
Lordship, selection was, I think, lordship, last July, lordship. Lordship, petitioner had already state pass, lordship.
Selected person. Then
Then, lordship, on one day, they are 18-month DLID course, lordship, they obtain, lordship. And lordship,
Did it?
Maybe please.
you are relying on the latest Supreme Court decision where 18 and 24 are same.
yes,
May it be pleases you, Lordship. Taking concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 34. Your Lordship, affidavit has sent for waiting, will be filing.
On the prayer of Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education Department, registry to list this matter again on 27/7/2026.
Little bit earlier,
The- huh?
matter may be taken up on 14th July, Lord.
Wait,
14th.
why?
Some urgency is there, Lord.
What is the urgency?
Your Lordship, that Chhatrapati.
In charge principal, Lordship.
27/7/2026. The affidavit on behalf of the respondent shall invariably be brought on record by 27/2026. No further adjournment shall be granted for filing of affidavits by the respondents.
I'm deeply obliged. Item number 2, I pray.
My lord, in respect of item number 2, my lord, the petitioner expired, my lord. And the wife of the petitioner gave me an instruction to withdraw this matter, my lord.
Mr. K. Mohammed, learned counsel for the petition, submits that. When did he expire?
My lord, he expired on 7/2/2026. And I was informed on 26/2026.
Submits that the petitioner in the present writ petition has passed on, on 7/2/2026, and his legal heirs has instructed him to not press the matter any further. Accordingly, he prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition. The present, for some prayer accepted, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. What about 3?
3 remains, my lord.
Item number 3.
After vacation.
Registry to list this matter again after the ensuing summer vacations on a date to be fixed by.
I'm declared.
My lord, in this case, result has been declared on 23rd this month
Hmm.
at night. But there are another parties also there, my lord. Yesterday, the parents have submitted the application for apply of the answer scheme. There is an order also, my lord. They may not entertain subsequently.
That is something different. You have only.
My lord, there is an
for-
order, my lord, page 35.
Forget the order.
After
This contempt is only for
Declaration of
that declaration of results.
then subsequent order also, my lord. After declaration of the result, if the petitioner decide for any re-evaluation.
You file an application for
Yes.
reval.
Yes.
That will not be done immediately, na? Mr. Sharma, there is a limit. We have been with you in this case.
The result has been declared day before yesterday.
Fine, you file an application. It does not say giving you the paper. Does it say? You show me that the papers have also to be given to you. It is written here.
Page 35, my lord. Only there is an observation.
37, 35.
35.
Observation is there, Lord.
After declaration of the results, if the petitioner decides
Decides.
for any re-evaluation, same should be allowed within a reasonable period of time.
Day before yesterday, they have declared the result. I have submitted the application yesterday.
So today you want it,
No, my lord.
re-evaluation.
Because they may taken a stand that since the online has been stopped on 28th of
You
May.
come back.
Yes.
If you file an application, they don't do it, come back. Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petition. We have facilitated you by requesting Ms. Bora.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
As per my.
Because he's a young guy, young boy. He has a great
Yes.
future ahead.
That's right.
the
But
modern-
for that does not mean that you will keep on insisting on one after the other.
My lord, it's more than
We
80%.
will not entertain that.
More than 80% he has secured. My lord.
Very good. We are happy that we also was a part of that
Yes.
process. Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel, heard Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, Ms. R. Bora, Learned Counsel,
I have submitted Ukalat number for assignment number 2.
appearing for the respondent number 2.
2 reasons.
Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the results of the class, what do you call it? Senior secondary.
There's second class 12.
Senior secondary post, class, senior secondary, comma, bracket class 12.
Class 2.
Examination of the petitioner has been declared on
23rd of
23/6/2026.
June.
So accordingly, the direction, accordingly, he submits that the directions passed by this court has been complied. Directions passed by this court wide order dated 22/5/2026 has been complied with. Also, Ms. R. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 has also submitted that the results of the petitioner has been duly declared. And he has cleared his class 12 examination. Also, in view of the above, the directions passed by this court wide the order dated 22/5/2026 having been complied with, comma, the present writ petition stands closed.
Obliged.
Obliged.
1 lakh waived. Huh?
Lordship, here in this case, I was supposed to file the additional affidavit. The documents, certain relevant papers I have received, Lordship, I will be filing it 2 weeks, Lordship, sometime may be given in this case.
6 to give. This is 6,
6.
not yours.
Oh, sorry.
None appears for the petitioner on court. Registry to list this matter again after the ensuing summer vacations. You are welcome.
Lordship, on the last occasion, this I made a prayer for filing the additional affidavit to explain the delay with regard to this, the processing the area family pension lordship. Now, the thing is that certain documents were not there. with the
I'm sorry,
petitioner.
this was passed on 13/3.
Yes, lordship,
You
very,
have not responded, and
No,
how can you claim for an area
no, lordship,
beyond 3 years?
very recently I've been provided with all the papers, lordship.
Papers will not help you.
No, lordship,
Because
I will file
if
my
we pass
addition.
an order also, it will be 3 years.
No, lordship, I'll file an additional affidavit explaining the
sorry.
applications.
We are not keeping this matter as per your convenience.
No,
You have
lordship,
already been granted time.
no, lordship, I can understand, lordship, but
You
all the,
withdraw this,
all
file
the
fresh,
papers,
fresh.
all the papers are not
You
there.
withdraw this, file fresh. Incorporating everything.
Wait.
Otherwise, we'll hear the matter. We are hearing the matter and we are closing.
No, lordship, I have received all the papers.
What is the explanation?
Explanation, certain documents they have this submitted during the relevant period of time. All these papers are not
I'm
provided.
sorry, you have not approached this court. Tarsim Singh, 3 years.
No, lordship, 3 years period, I can understand, lordship, but
If you
subsequent to
can
that, lordship.
understand, that is the end of the matter.
No, there are various applications filed before the respondent authorities. I will place before this.
Show me the law that repeated representation extends the time period of limitation.
Lordship, at least I may be allowed to, this.
Who prevented you?
No, lordship, at that point of time, the petitioners could not gather all the, it's an old lady, lordship, it requires some time to gather all the papers, lordship. Now she has obtained all the papers, she has handed over to me, lordship, some time to be given, lordship, immediately after vacation.
Mr. S.P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has furnished all the requisite documents for filing the affidavit, additional affidavit, as undertaken by him to be filed and filed on the last date of hearing, that is on 13/3/2026. Also, to facilitate filing of the said affidavit, he prays that the matter be taken up on 12/8/2026. Prayer accepted. Prayer is free to list this matter again on 12/8/2026. In the event the said additional affidavit is not to file, the present writ petition would be considered for, would be taken up for final consideration and orders passed disposing of this.
Obliged, lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on registry to.
Lordship, can the matter be taken up after some time?
My lord, other matter related challenging the same order, my lord. Six after 3 by order that is 17/6. So after vacation, my lord, along with the WPC, my lord, 2063, 2070, 1987, all 26.
Huh?
Other 3 matters, my lord, also similar matter, my lord, challenging the same order, my lord. So it is fixed after 3 weeks, my lord, after vacation. So the WPC number are 2063, 2070,
Notices have been issued. In those cases,
Input those cases, status quo order is there.
but why should we pass an order today? What is your case basically? What is the violation?
Yes, my lord. My case is, my lord, that the recommendation, my lord, which is page 12, page 80, my lord, in nature 12, my lord, that has affect the, my lord, case because, my lord, the headmaster lower in the rank to the assistant teacher. And my lord, earlier, Honorable High Court directed
On the prayer of Mr. S. Chauhan, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing vacations along with WPC number
2063,
2063/2026.
public 26, 1987.
No, it's okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sarah has filed an application before this, my lord, for appointment her as a compensate ground, my lord. Petitioner husband is.
Mr. Pugan, you have a scheme?
No, my lord, no. I've got the instruction.
Yes.
Dies in harness, my lord, then there is a that.
Madam, how can you be considered? You are already 51.
Yes, my lord, because my husband is already
Show me the scheme.
voluntary retirement, my lord.
Show me the scheme.
Because, madam, our pay.
That is what was there. He says there is no scheme.
And accidentally, his husband is physically handicapped, my lord.
Fine. No issue.
And he's university.
Madam, you
I
have
would-
crossed the age of recruitment. You are now 51. You cannot
Yes,
be recruited.
There's a compensation ground, my lord.
Be
Not
that as it may, show me
present.
that
Because
that can be relaxed. Show me the scheme.
That is, my lord, that is his, my husband is voluntary retirement, my lord, by pressure of Gauhati University, my lord. Because he is a grade 4 employee, my lord, in the university.
You are
They
arguing the
agreed
matter
to
for final disposal.
him to-
Madam, while reading the brief, we can also understand what is your claim. But what is the basis of your claim? That is what I want. Mr. Pukon
Government of Assam,
has
Annexure
submitted
9,
that there is no scheme.
Annexure 9, my lord, page
This is
59.
not applicable to Gauhati University. Show me that this is applicable to Gauhati University.
Kindly, some time may be given, my lord, I see the matter, my lord. Some guideline, my lord.
Why, before vacations, I'll not disturb them. On the prayer of the Learned Council for the petitioner, registry to list this matter after the ensuing vacations on a date to be fixed by. Sympathy is there, but madam, we can't go beyond law.
On the pressure of the university, my lord, his husband is take voluntary retirement.
Do one
his
thing,
service.
go and file case against the university on that count.
That is the
It's
other
long
thing, my
time
lord.
that Mr. Fukon has gone to the lower courts. He'll also get an opportunity to go there now.
No,
Yes.
Most of them.
after vacation, my lord.
After.
My lord.
Yes, who is appearing for the respondent?
Last time was given
No.
without issuing any notice to obtain
Till
instruction.
now, that
That was-
provincialization effect has not been given.
Not been given. It was
Yes.
discontinued. Then
Okay. Ms. Sudia, you have no instructions?
Minor.
Okay. Heard Mr. DP Cholia. We are disposing of the matter.
my lord,
DP Cholia, Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. M. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. S. Chutia, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department. As consented to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, the present writ petition is taken up for final consideration and is being disposed by the present order. So, the petitioner in the present writ petition was initially appointed as an assistant teacher in Satya Kumar Emi
Amar
Madrasa,
Madrasa.
Gwalpara, by the managing committee of the school on 2/1/1992. So, the school at the time of, Mr. Cholia, please have a seat.
Well.
At the time of appointment of the petitioner was in its venture stage. So, it is projected that the case of the petitioner and other teachers working in the said school was taken up for consideration for provincialization of their services under the provisions of the Assam Education Parvina 2017 Act. So, the constituted committees having considered the case of the petitioner and other teachers, the respondent authorities proceeded to provincialize the services of the petitioner as a tutor in the said school with effect from 1/1/2021, while issuance of an order dated 5/2/2021. So, pursuant to the provincialization of the services of the petitioner, the same was challenged by one Jahidur Hussain Mondo, by one Hafizur Rahman Ahmed, a teacher of the said school. So, this court, while order dated was assailed so and so by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 6881/2021. A coordinate bench of this court, while order dated 11/1/2022, noticing the projections made in the writ petition, was pleased to direct that further effect of provincialization be not given to the petitioner herein until further orders. So, it is contended by the petitioner that the said writ petition was thereafter listed on 6/9/2024, and the coordinate bench of this court and a coordinate bench of this court finding, coordinate bench and 6/9/2024. However, there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner on the said date. The coordinate bench of this court on noticing further noticed that the petitioner had not taken fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7. Accordingly, while order dated 6/9/2024, the said writ petition was dismissed for non-prosecution. The petitioner submits that prosecution and further the interim directions passed in the order was also vacated. The learned senior, the after dismissal of the said writ petition, the petitioner not having been extended with the benefits of the provincialization of his services, the petitioner has instituted the present writ petition. Mr. D.P. Chalia, learned senior counsel, by reiterating the facts noticed herein above, has submitted that the petitioner in WPC number 6881/2021 has till date not instituted any application for restoration of the said writ petition, and accordingly the said writ petition as on date continues to be treated to have been dismissed. Mr. Cholia submits that the benefits flowing to the petitioner in pursuance to the provincialization of his services affected by the order dated 5/2/2021 having been stalled only on account of the interim directions passed wide order dated 11/1/2022 in WPC number 6881/2021, on vacation of the said interim directions. The petitioner, in absence of any other legal impediment existing in the matter, was required to be authorized was required to be extended with the benefits of provincialization of his services with effect from 1/1/2021. Ms. S. Chutia, learned standing counsel, secondary education department, submits that she has elementary education department submits that although this court had provided an opportunity to her to receive instructions, the instructions have not been furnished to her. Also, I've heard the learned counsel for the parties and perused the materials available on record. The services of the petitioner was provincialized by an order dated 5/2/2021 after in 21 under the provisions of the Act of 2017. For such provincialization of the services of the petitioner was so affected as a tutor. Also, being aggrieved with the provincialization of services, of the petitioner affected by the order dated 5/2/2021. 1. Hafizur Rahman Ahmed had approached this court by way of instituting a writ petition being WPC number 6881/2021. Also, a coordinate bench of this court, while order dated 11/1/2022, while issuing notice in the matter, was pleased to restrain the authorities from extending the benefit of provincialization to the petitioner hearing, who was impleaded as respondent number 8 in the said proceedings. Also, as noticed herein above, the said writ petition was, however, dismissed for non-prosecution by the coordinate bench of this court, while order dated 6/9/2024, and the interim orders passed earlier was also vacated. Also, the dismissal of the said writ petition being WPC number 6881/2021, and also the vacation of the interim directions passed therein, wide order dated 11/1/2022, would have the effect of reviving the order dated 5/2/2021. Also, no other legal impediment having been brought on record in the present proceeding by the respondents, this court is of the considered view that the order dated 5/2/2021 would now be mandated to be implemented in respect of the petitioner and the benefits flowing thereof. thereon is to be extended to him. So in view of the above discussion, this court directs the Director of Elementary Education Assam to extend to the petitioner the benefits of provincialization of his services in terms of the order dated 5/2/2021 with effect from 1/1/2021. The petitioner shall be now paid the current salaries with effect from 1st of July 2026 and the areas of his pay and allowances with effect from 1/1/2021.
My lord, perhaps, my lord, he has received salary, my lord, up to June 2022, my lord.
With effect from 1/1/2021 shall be released to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from today after deducting the pay and allowances already received by him in pursuance to the order dated 5/2/2021. With the above observations and directions, the present writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord, period may be count from the date of receipt of the copy, my lord, not from today, my lord.
Within a period of 3 months, no? With a period of 3 months with effect from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the present order from the petition. Reason. None appears for the petitioner on call. It is seen that on the last date of the thing also, there was no representation on behalf of the petition. So accordingly, this court presumes that the petition is not interested to pursue the matter any further. So, Ms. N. Fukan, Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department is present. So, in view of the above, the present petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. And Ms. N. Fukan, so and so, and Ms. K. Fukan, yeah, commented. Yes, how can you pass this order? It's in the teeth of the directions passed by this court. Page 74.
Lordship, I have seen
Then
paragraph 23.
want to modify this?
No, Lordship.
But Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
N.Z. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P.N. Sharma, learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education.
Lordship.
Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ms. M.
Lordship.
R.
I am
Learned Standing Counsel, Finance accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 5. No formal notice, huh? Registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks. So, the pendency of the present writ petition would not be a bar for the respondents to pass appropriate orders in the matter by considering the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 15/6/2023 in WPC number 6562/2022 and other analogous matters.
Okay, Lordship.
When have we fixed the other matters?
17/7.
We have issued notice there.
No, my lord, it's for instance.
Registry, Ms. S. Chutia, Learned Counsel for the petition, for the Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, submits that she be granted time to receive instructions in the matter. So prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 17/7/2026.
Along with my lord, WBC.
Along it will come on. Same next also, 15 same.
Obliged.
Notice to non-provision registration of the service of the petitioner. My lord, impugn speaking order is there at page 65. Lordship. Findings, Lordship may kindly look into, my lord. Page 65.
Then my instructions.
No, no, no. Every case instruction is not required.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the power of the SLC? Have you seen the power? Under 19. Huh? The state level committee shall have to cause physical verification of all institutions. Also inspect documents and records produced before it, and call for such other documents, records and documents as may be required for the purpose of causing verification. Now, on your inspection, you find from the physical records that he's there. Electronic records maybe, but on that disparity, without saying anything further, with this order maintainable. Have your instructions. We'll have it immediately after vacation. Ms. H. Tarangpi, learned, Mr. S. Nath, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Chaudhary.
S. Chandra, learned counsel for the petitioner. S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. H. Tarangpi, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department.
Lordship, Henry.
And that was the specific direction passed by this court. I had passed this also. So Ms. Tarangpi submits that she be granted time till 27/2026 to complete her instructions in the matter. Was a prayer accepted, registered to list this matter again on 27/2026 for motion. Deeply obliged.
And come against the impugn order dated 33/2026, Lordship.
How long have you been in practice?
4 years, Lordship.
4 years. Page
21, Lordship. I am the senior most teacher of the school, Lordship. This is reflected in page number 20.
Registered, for heard Mr.
P. Datta.
P. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. P. Das, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education Department. Ms. Das shall, on the next date of listing, complete her instructions and apprise this court as to why the petitioner, who is otherwise found to be senior to the private respondent number
4,
Respondent four.
was bypassed in the matter of entrusting responsibility as the academic in charge of the school in question. Ms. Das shall also receive instructions as to why a teacher of the school was not allowed to hold the charge of the post of headmaster or principal in the school in question on a vacancy arising therein. Registered to list this matter again on 27/2026.
Your list.
Madam,
Respondent is.
will you be in a position to get the instructions, or we'll ask the registry to send a copy? Because I'm finding that it's just not being communicated these days.
I will obtain instruction.
must have.
Your Lordship, the writ petition has been filed by the petitioner in order to get the benefit of additional increment and gratuity. Additional increment and gratuity, which was, the order was given by division.
Madam, leave him alone. Yes.
The order was passed by the division bench in WN number 197 of 2020.
Then what happened?
After that,
Hmm.
prior to his retirement,
He has retired.
Yes,
When
yes,
did he
sir.
retire?
he retired on 29/2/2020.
Then?
Prior to his retirement, a writ petition was filed by Sri Ashit Varan Paul, present principal of the school, challenging the BA certificate of the writ petitioner. As a result, many of his service and retirement benefits like DCRG were withheld and were not paid to the petitioner. The division bench of the Honorable High Court ultimately held the base certificate of the petitioner as a valid certificate by judgment and order dated 4/6/24 in WA number 197 of 2020. But in the meantime, the petitioner has retired. After a judgment and order passed by the Honorable Court in Writ Appeal number 197,
They have not complied with.
they have not complied with. The petitioner made two representations dated 11/6/24 and 2/9/24. One is 2/9/24 to the Secretary to the Government of Assam and 11/6/24 to the Director of Secondary.
What's your name?
Vishal Das.
Huh?
Vishal Das. B Das.
Bidas. But Mr. Bidas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So the petitioner in the present writ petition has prayed for, has assailed an order dated 23/12/2005 by which advance increment granted to him for acquiring the B.Ed degree was cancelled. Malay. Has prayed for. The petitioner in the present writ petition has prayed for a release of his retirement benefits by construing the directions passed by this court by judgment and order dated 4/6/2024 in writ appeal number 197 of 2020. So issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Ms. Pidas, I opened Ms. Pidas, Standing Counsel, Secondary Education. Pidas accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents, no formal notice, so and so. Ms. Pidas, before the next date of listing, to complete her instructions and apprise this court on the next date of listing about the, to complete her instructions and apprise this court on the next date of listing about the stand of the respondents with regard to the claims made by the petitioner in the present writ petition. How long have you been in practice?
2.5, 2 years.
Huh?
2 years.
2 years.
Opinion served upon us.
Done.
Beautiful. Thank you.
May I please, Your Lordship?
When is the supply exam?
My Lordship, it will be scheduled in very shortly, my Lordship. Date has
Shortly,
not-
how shortly?
My Lord, till July, in the month
July.
of July, my Lordship. I have submitted one representation, one page.
Get your
50
representation.
my Lordship.
Where is Mr. Gogoi? Get somebody from the health department. Shankardev,
Shankardev.
your results were of 19/6/2026.
Yes,
The examinations will be held 2 months thereafter.
okay, my Lord.
July, August. We'll have it after vacation. Let Mr. Gogoi
No, my
complete
Lord.
his instructions.
My Lordship, as per information, within, in this vacation only, they will issue the notice for submission of application, my Lordship.
We'll see. We'll let Mr. Get Mr. Gogoi.
He's on legs and.
Whenever he's free, get him here.
Oh, yes, sure. Thank you.
Normally, we don't come in the midst of a disciplinary proceeding, but when the appointing authority decides to become the judge, jury and the executioner, perhaps your lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, you can always take that plea in your representation.
But when it is on the face of it, I'll just place 3 documents and I'll leave it to your lordship. Your lordship will first come to page 59. This is the memo of charges. Your lordship will just have a look at the signatory, the authority who has issued. Now, if your lordship will.
Lordship, Mr. K. Gogoi is here for the for time being matter.
Yes.
Let me complete. Your lordship will kindly come to the inquiry report itself, which starts at page 111. It's more than 200 pages. This is the first time I've seen. But I'm not complaining because of that. Your lordship will kindly come to page 116. This is part of the inquiry. Your lordship, page 116. Down below, your lordship will find list of witnesses examined. If your lordship kindly turns the page, your lordship will kindly have a look at serial number 6.
Register.
Now, if your lordship will kindly have the service conditions ordinance of Dibrugarh University.
Was this copy given to you? Formally?
Yes. Your lordship will kindly come to clause 26 of these ordinance. Clause 26, subclause E. This provides that executive council is the disciplinary authority. Now, if your lordship has a look at the act, there are several other points. For the purpose of motion, I am not troubling your lordship at all. But this, I think, is sufficient. If your lordship will kindly come to section 12, at page, if we are holding the same book, my lord, it is at page 47. Page 47. Your lordship will have a look at subsection 2 of section 12. The registrar is the secretary of the executive council. So, as I started my submissions, my lord, judge, jury, and executioner, all three. So therefore,
just his issuance of the notice to you is in terms of the directions given by the
executive council.
He's just
that I'm not even.
That will not make him ineligible to be a witness.
No, he is on the one hand witness. Now he is going to decide on this inquiry report also.
He cannot. He is only a secretary there. He is not the deciding authority.
But being a secretary, he
is
has
just
the order. Your lordship will.
He is the PS, their private secretary.
No,
there sitting.
But being a part of that authority itself, he has the power to influence. Your lordship will recall the principles pertaining to reasonable apprehension of bias.
You submit your
which we have, but they are proceeding in such a way, predetermined manner.
Allegations against you are very.
Yeah, that I accept, man. But the other problem is
you are under suspension now.
Yes, section 67 capital A of the IT Act.
The
that
case has been.
That has been. I am not even on that. What I am saying is, when the charges were filed in the criminal proceeding, section 67 was dropped.
We'll hear Mr. Gogoi what he has to say. Then.
My lord, your lordship will excuse my presence. My friend.
We got your points.
For the purpose of motion, I am not troubling on merits of the case.
You have taken the cream of the matter. What is left there?
Obliged.
But somehow this thick-headed, it's not going in.
Which I refuse to agree.
The lordship, regarding item number 12, I was in the midst of the case in court number 14, my lord. Your lordship is dismissed.
No, you were not there in the last date also.
The last date we have taken time.
No, it's written none appears for the petition. Land donation matter.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, yeah, file today. Okay, well, after some time. After some time. Be here after some time. None appears for the petition on call. Registry to list this matter after the ensuing sum of issues.
Thank you, Lordship. My lord, in this case, on an earlier round of repetition, the lordship directed to the government to consider my provincialization of service on the ground that, my lord,
The petitioner in the, heard Mr. A.M. Barbie, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.P. Doctor, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. Doctor accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 3, 4,
and 5.
5. Mr. A. Cholia, Ms. A. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. No formal notice. History to list this matter again after 4 weeks. On a to be fixed by it.
Obliged.
4. The K. Fukan, 4. Government, here, doctor, Baki. 2 and 4, Belegovo, Baki. Yes.
Rashik. I am senior, about 6 years senior than the private respondent, your lordship. Private respondent number 9. Impugn FR is impugn order is page number 17, your lordship, and exact 4, your lordship. Page number 12 is the list, your lordship. Here, serial number 1, I am your lordship. Serial number 3 is private respondent number 9, your lordship.
Where is his order of transfer?
Not transfer, your lordship.
Appointment.
Inserts.
Huh?
Inserts it.
When did the private respondent join your school?
I have not annexed that order, your lordship. Only I have annexed a list, your lordship. Page number 12 and exact 2, your lordship.
Madam, you are appearing for?
PTC lordship.
Your
I
name?
have also
Ardas.
Ardas, learned counsel appearing for the BTC authorities. Submits that she would complete her instructions by the next date of listing and apprise this court of the stand of the respondents in the matter. Pray accepted registry to list this matter after the ensuing summer vacations, by which time the learned standing counsel shall complete her instructions and apprise this court as to the claim made by the petitioner in the present petition. After the
date may kindly fixed, your lordship.
you're not don't practice in this court.
Obliged.
You practice in this court.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Registry to list this matter before any other bench without. It's not only that she is a senior colleague, was a senior colleague. I had appeared for.
I understand. My deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Nutt.
My lord.
What is the status of that selection process now?
They made a mockery of this. What has happened? 3 persons applied. One has got a job in another court in Upper Assam. He has gone. Remains 2. The respondent 5, the lady. She was 55 years old on the day of advertisement. 55 years. So this also cannot be. I remain there. What they did, the authorities appointed her as in charge principal. And they are lingering the matter lingering. We came this honorable court. Please let them do something.
This court passed an order.
Yes. Again, it took 6-7 months. Only recently, they gave me a piece of paper, page number 142. They said they have not received my appointment and promotion order. And number 2, they have not seen my publication, my lord. These are peer reviewed.
This is by the college.
Yes. College of principal.
And you say these are all peer reviewed.
Peer reviewed. And yet as well ISS number also. International.
Yes, what is happening? Heard Mr. M. Nutt, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Assisted by Mr. A. Bhattacharjee. Also heard Mr. A. R. Tabildar, learned standing counsel.
Or 1 and 2.
Learned standing counsel, higher education department. Mr. Tabildar shall, the director of higher education Assam shall make an inquiry with regard to the manner in which the matter was processed by the college or by the authorities of, what is that college?
Radha Madhav College. Radha Madhav.
Where is the advertisement?
My lord, that's also will find in page number, my lord, page number 31.
31. the authorities of Radha Madhav at a word day, Radha Madhav College, Silchar, had processed the matter after the issuance of the advertisement dated
My lord, on 15/2/25.
15/2/2025.
Yes.
Push up. The director on the next date of listing shall submit a report in this matter in seal cover through the Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department. So, while submitting the report, the director shall also reckon the contentions raised by the petitioner in the present writ petition and by factoring the same shall submit a report in the matter. Registry to list this matter again on 22/7/2026. Let it come, we'll see.
The lordship is saying it is because our fight is holding charge of principal. Obviously, changing the cream now. That's the only case.
We'll see.
Applies, my lord.
Applies then.
Well, it's an order, petition against an order of suspension. Some 3 years back, the order of suspension was passed. Thereafter, nothing has proceeded in the departmental proceeding. And
is there a departmental proceeding against you?
No.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, suspension order was issued on in the year 2022, Your Lordship.
And,
Lordship, my
what is this thing you are doing? Come to page 25. Is this a suspension also you have to inquire? And the inspector of schools is elevating that to a level of a departmental proceeding against the petition. Either they don't know or they are doing this deliberately.
let me obtain instructions.
But Mr. S. Dr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Ms. S. Roy, Learned Counsel. Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. S. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. D. Musahari, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department. The petitioner in the present petition has presented a challenge to an order. Shall we dispose it of? Or you want to have an instruction?
Your Lordship, let me have an instruction.
otherwise also, these are admitted facts. I don't think there are.
You have come also after so long. You have also woken up only now.
Because I am 6 months, I am retiring.
I know that. Submits that. Has presented a challenge to an order dated 11/11/2022 by which he was placed under suspension. Mr. Dotto has submitted that after the petitioner was placed under suspension, no departmental proceedings have been instituted against him. However, he submits that while an order dated 24/8/2023, an inquiry was directed to be conducted by the Inspector of Schools into the matter related with the suspension of the petitioner for the purpose of trial of departmental proceeding. However, till date, Mr. Dotto, however, submits that till date, no departmental proceeding have been instituted against the petitioner. Also, the prolonged suspension of the petitioner is clearly impermissible, and the same is also found to be in violation of the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Union of India versus Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, 2015, 7 SSC 291. Also, Ms. D. Musahari submits that she would complete her instructions in the matter by the next date of listing and apprise this court of the developments taking place after the petitioner was placed under suspension. Also, considering the above submission of the Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, registry to list this matter again on 13/7/2026. Also, It is provided that the pendency of the present writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondent authorities to take remedial action in the matter, considering that the prolonged suspension of the petitioner is not in a prolonged suspension of the petitioner is in violation of the directions passed by this court, passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Ajay Kumar Chaudhary, Supra. Obliged.
This is lordship, and this matter pertains to reversion of unutilized.
These are disputed question, whether this is Silchar Medical,
No, your lordship, this one, the. petition
where is
earlier-
the deed?
It was not, but then it was not annexed, but
Deed.
your lordship, petition has earlier approached this honorable court, my lord.
Fine, that is only a representation disposal.
And an inquiry was made, and as per the inquiry, there was, the land was found unutilized, my lord.
If that school is provincialized,
No, school was not provincial.
not provincialized.
Not provincialized.
You go before the civil court. Why are you here? Why this court should exercise this powers? You go before the civil court, get the what do you call that, donation, deed of donation nullified, get back the land. Ms. S. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that she be granted 4 weeks' time to complete her instruction, to receive further instructions from the petition. Accepted registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to. Ms. Roy, this is not maintained. Will not entertain this
But I will take instruction.
afterwards. Mr. Gugoi.
My lord, I've got the instruction. So far as the present petitioner is concerned, my lord, as admitted in the writ petition, there is shortage of attendance in the 4th semester. So my lord, that regular classes are on for this particular, my lord, category of candidates. And by end of July, my lord, their exams will be held. So let him complete the course, my lord, that part, and the end of July. I will place the written instruction immediately after the open.
On the prayer of, first heard Mr. S.B. Loscott, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General, appearing for the state respondents. Mr. Gogoi submits that the examination, the fourth
Yes.
B
HMS.
HMS degree examination would be held only in the last week of July. He submits that the petitioner had not completed his, the petitioner does not have the prescribed attendance, and for
This year I have.
for such category of candidates, the classes are presently on, and the petitioner is also required to attend his classes for the purpose of completion of his minimum required attendance for appearing in the examination. Mr. Gogoi submits that the matter be taken up on 15/7/2025, on which date he shall place the further instructions. He shall place the instructions that would be received by him in the matter in the meanwhile. I accepted registry to list this matter again on 15/7/2025. It is provided that in the meanwhile, if the notices for the exams are so issued and the petitioner is found to have fulfilled all the requisite eligibility criteria mandated for appearing in the examination, the petitioner shall be permitted to submit his applications for the said examination and to appear in the examinations. Full stop. However, the results of the petitioner shall be kept withheld until further orders from this court.
Hi, Lord. Well, only 6 months gap, my lordship. That is the requirement I don't have.
You have given. If you fulfill everything, you get it. If you don't, wait till 15th, we'll see.
Yes.
No, the top of the list. No, I will pass the orders today. Itu কোনে লৈছে এটা? Please copy to it later. This is not right into. Record date, huh? the copy of the library.
My lord, person.
I'll pass the order because earlier thing I did.
Yes, I understand.
Yes.
But please, this is the last order, Lordship. 10th of June 2026. That there is receive instruction supposed to file the affidavit, but till that affidavit is not filed.
My lord may take it up immediately after vacation, my lord. In the meantime, I will file my lord.
But with this order is there,
My
how much you pay some cost will consider. But this order otherwise would be orders of this court, we can't treat it in that manner. You can treat, but I can't treat. So, Lekha, heard Mr.
In
Edeka.
that case, my lord may take up this matter for final disposal, my lord, because I have my lord.
Huh?
On the basis of the instruction, my lord.
What instruction? Your affidavit is not there, we will not hear anything.
My lord, he did not join his service, my lord. On the basis of this honorable
That
court
is
order,
what you
my lord.
wanted to bring, we wanted you to bring on record. You have
Fine.
not. So, heard Mr. Edeka, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Ms. S. Chitia, standing counsel, elementary education department. This court, while ordered it at 10/6/2026, had directed the the elementary authorities in the elementary education department to file an affidavit by the next date of listing of the matter, that is today. Also, the said affidavit is not filed, although a last chance was given to the respondents on 10/6/2026 for filing of the same. Also, accordingly, the respondents are accordingly, this court directs that the matter would now be proceeded ex parte against the respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, registry to list this matter again on 15/7/2026. On the next date of listing, an endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter basing on the materials already available on it.
Interim order will come.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day. Last night it was not continued.
It's continued. Obliged, Lordship.
27.
Morning it was mentioned, Lord.
But I only asked, why did you come? I asked him, you are having some problem.
Lordship, I have a
Why-
little injury in my leg.
You go. I only wanted the respondents to be informed, that's all.
Lordship.
A young
Lady was
counsel
there.
had come in. So if she, from the beginning, she knows, she starts to learn
Lordship.
that mention can be made without informing the other side.
Lordship.
It will not be good for the institution.
Lordship.
That is why I insisted, you inform, come back, I'll do it.
Lordship.
I did not want you to be here.
Lordship. Upon vacation.
As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, the registry to list this matter again after the ensuing summer vacations on a date to be fixed by.
Obliged, Lordship.
You take care of your health.
Lordship.
Uh, 2024 method, and they are in getting state, my
None
appointment-
appears for the petitioner on call. Registry to list this matter again. The respondents are represented. Registry to list this matter again. In the month of, that case,
immediately after vacation. Lord.
on 28/7/2026 for admission hearing.
Masuk, masuk. So,
May please, Your Lordship. Kindly pass over the matter for time being, my lord.
What happened? Pension done? Ms. K. Fukan, Learned Counsel, Learned Government Advocate appearing for the Director of Pension, has submitted that the pension proposal submitted in respect of the petitioner has been reverted back to the department for clarification. Also, Ms. Hukan shall furnish a copy of the instructions received by her to, this is which department?
Elementary.
Elementary.
Elementary. If, yes, elementary.
To the standing elementary.
Fukan appears for this matter,
Huh?
Your Lordship. Mr. A. Fukan, he's on legs in port 5.
To Mr. A. Fukan, Learned, Standing Council, Elementary Education Department. To Mr. SMT Sisti, give it to us, Mr. SMT Sisti. To Mr. SMT Sisti, Learned, Standing Council, Department of School Education, Assam. Mr. Sisti shall forward the said instructions as would be now furnished to him by Ms. K. Fukan to the District Elementary Education Officer Hailakandi.
Yes.
And receive further instructions in the matter. Mr. Chisti shall also advise the District Elementary Education Officer Hailakandi to resubmit the pension proposal of the petitioner after rectifying the defects as noticed by the Director of Pensions therein expeditiously.
Yes.
Registry to list this matter on 10/8/2026, reflecting the name of Mr. You are there.
Yes, I'm here.
Copy of the instructions furnished by Ms. K. Fukan is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of identification.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship,
Along with 30, Your Lordship, 54, 55, 56, Your Lordship.
Lordship,
Yeah,
the matter may be made time being. Senior Advocate Mr. Kane Chaudhary will lead us in this matter, Lordship.
Today no time being.
Lordship, he's one, Lordship.
54, 55, 56.
You have got the copy? Affidavit?
Lordship, in my case, there is no affidavit.
You are not Singhania.
I am Singhania.
Singhania University has filed an affidavit. Go through
I
it.
have not made Singhania University party in my case.
No, go through it. If there is something which can be there.
Lordship.
Today, the matter cannot be taken up for final disposal. We'll have it on a date convenient.
Lordship.
Tell me, date, we'll fix it. 30, 54, 55 and 56.
Lordship.
35 also, madam.
Huh?
35 also.
35.
Yes. 32, 53 also, madam.
Lordship, item 35 and 52 to 56, the issues are the same. In fact, in a similar situated case, the judgment has been passed by this honorable court. Para 30 of this judgment.
Item 30.
30, 35 and 52 to 56. If your lordship kindly peruses para 30. WPC 556 of 2024.
Exactly.
So similar matters are 30.
30, 35, then supplementary 52, 56.
52,
52 to 56.
52 to 56.
Yes, lordship.
Mr. Bhattakur, you are appearing all the matters?
No, I am on, Your Lordship, 52 to 54 to 56. In item 30, Senior Counsel
30 I am.
Vijay Mohan. So I am-
In item 35, on the last day, the petitioner counsel had prayed for time to peruse this judgment.
Kalagadia. Item 30, 35, 52 to 56. Huh?
Right.
Apart from item number 30, respondent number 5 has not been party in other. Aware of what's there, madam.
You be aware where you are. You need not be aware of matters which you are not there. Why? That is what it's their prerogative. But Mr. S. Bhattakur, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitions in WPC number?
54 to 56, your lordship.
In WPC?
WPC number, your lordship, 6796 of 2025.
6796 2025, WPC number 40 oblique 2026, and WPC number 109 2026. Also heard Mr. S. Das, learned, also heard Mr. M.U. Mondal, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. in, item number 52 and 53. In WPC number 4001 2025 and 1094 2025. Also heard Mr. D. Monto, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner in
4137.
in WPC number 4137 2026.
2025.
2025. And Miss R. Begum, learned counsel, senior counsel, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner in WPC number 298 2026. Also heard Mr. S. Das, learned standing counsel, Higher Education Department appearing in the above noted writ petitions, and Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. S. R. Sen, appearing for CR Sen, appearing for the respondent number 5 in WPC number 4137 2025. You know, the affidavit has come on record, Mr. So what we say is that we'll fix a date convenient to your thing. And Miss P, Dr. P. Agarwal, learned standing counsel, UGC.
Item 35, 54.
Standing counsel, UGC, but that's all.
Lordship, in item number 30.
And Miss R. Borpuzari.
K. Borpuzari.
K. Borpuzari. Ruby Borpuzari, Kanta Borpuzari, it's the same thing. Appearing, learned standing counsels appearing for the UGC in the above noted writ petitions. When? Senior counsel.
Month of August, first week.
First week. Okay. Can it be on 4th or 6th?
4th, your lordship.
4th. On, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 4/6/2026. It is provided, it is further provided that in the event any party is to bring on record further pleadings, such pleadings have to be brought on record on or before 29/7/2026. Four.
Kindly pass about for timing, your lordship. Conducting counsel, Mr. B. Malakar is in late, your lordship.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again after the ensuing summer vacations. Yes, Mr. Bhuya.
My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, is a, my lord, we have raised that we have been discriminated, my lord. We are the science graduate teachers, my lord. Now the
pleadings are complete.
pleadings are complete, my lord.
We'll have it immediately on a date fixed. Mr. A.R. Bhuya, heard Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.P. Tutta, learned standing counsel, secondary education department. As agreed to, it is stated that the pleadings in the matter is complete. So, as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again. Forget July, any date in August.
My lord, before 15 August, my lord.
Any date, you give me.
15 August. My lord, on 13th, Thursday, August
13th, okay, done. 13/8/2026.
Obliged.
For admission hearing. Yes, Mr. Bro.
Petitioner before your lordships against the order of the dismissal lordship, and the statutory appeal is pending before the governor.
Huh?
Statutory appeal is pending before the governor against the order of dismissal lordship. That is at Annexure 15 lordship, page 114.
Where is the order of the penalty?
Penalty order, Lordship,
14.
triple one, Lordship.
Huh?
111, Lordship.
Page 1.
Page number 111.
Relevant page 112, Lordship.
Appeal not disposed of.
Not yet, Lordship. He is on the verge of retirement, Lordship, in the next month.
Huh?
He is on the verge of retirement age, Lordship.
When?
26/7, Lordship.
26/7.
Yeah.
Where is the records? You have not filed an affidavit. Where is the records? Produce the records on the next day.
Lordship.
Departmental.
Otherwise, Lordship, that this, so far as that appeal is concerned, Lordship, there was some queries from the office of the governor, and that queries have, whatever required information were furnished to the governor. Lordship.
Now that period is only 3 months. Now it's already, why should we wait for the disposal of the appeal? We'll consider it on merits.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. M.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P.N. Sharma, Learned, Standing Counsel, Secondary Education.
Elementary, Lordship.
Elementary Education Department. Mr. Sharma submits that on the next date of listing, the departmental proceeding file of the petitioner shall be placed on record. So, accordingly, registry is directed to list this matter again on. You are retiring on?
26/7.
Huh?
26/7, Lordship. 26th of July.
How?
30.
How can you retire on 26th? You will retire on 31st.
31st.
On 21/7/2026. So, Shama, you have heard that I want the records.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship, Lordship.
Don't come and tell the next day that
No, no.
order was not uploaded, something.
Okay.
If here may be granted some more time, Your Lordship.
But my lord, the last letter one issued by the inspector of the school wrote to the my lord, director, stating that my lord only because of treasury officer.
No, Lordship, that after that, the clarification was given, Lordship. I had produced the instruction of the treasury bill, Lordship. There was a copy was kept also, Lordship, because
He wants a regularization of his services.
Yes, my lord. Also the salaries, my lord.
that salary, Lordship. There
Salary
the
has been-
TDO had not sent the complete details, Lordship, because of which the treasury had not accepted it. Now, on the last date, it was submitted that the TDO will furnish the latest instructions. Lordship, I have a copy on where the shortfall was, because there was no.
That for the DDO to know.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. H. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. H. Tarangpi, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department, and Mr. A. Chalia, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance. Also, as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 30/7/2026 for admission hearing. Also, the areas of salary of the petitioner, salaries of the petitioner which are in areas, comma, shall be processed by the departmental authorities and it would be ensured that the same is released to the petitioner at the earliest. Done?
Yes, my lord. Current my lord salary stock.
Done, that will come.
Yes, my lord.
Areas
I
I
am
said.
for respondent number 5 on behalf of Mr. S.
Huh?
I am for respondent number 5 on behalf of Mr. S. Mehta.
SK Mehdi. Mr. Your name?
KK Mehta.
AK Mehdi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Learned Counsel is present for the respondent number 5, right?
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this case, we have received the recent inquiry report, my lord. As per the inquiry report, we have
Petitioner,
decided.
through your Lordship on the science is there, my lord. He has, my lord, been inflicted with, my lord, major penalty of 1 increment, my lord, withheld, my lord, with cumulative effect, my lord. He was not absent on that day, my lord. The attendance, my lord, the physical attendance, my lord, online attendance, everything is recorded. Even then, my lord, he was held unauthorized absent 1 day.
His suspension period, we have already regularized.
Where is the order dated 21/2026? It's on record?
Yes, my lord. Page 59, my lord, impugn order, my lord. Last short, my lord, 2 paragraphs, my lord.
Where is the inquiry report? Okay.
My lord, I may be allowed to file an affidavit, my lord, regarding this report, my lord.
Where did you? Miss N. Fukan, learned counsel for the petition, for the learned standing counsel,
Elementary, my lord.
Elementary Education Department, on the next date of listing shall produce the departmental proceeding file of the petitioner. So, registry to list this matter again on 4/8/2026. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next date listing.
Deplore.
But please don't say that you did not know about this order or did not communicate.
As per our, this report, my lord, after careful examination of.
We
all
get it, you
records,
just
my
get
lord,
that record, we will see.
My lord. Deplore.
Apply.
Yes. Complied with,
No, my lord.
then,
In fact, we have prepared an appeal, my lord, which is yet to be filed.
My
which
lord,
is yet to be filed.
Yes, my lord.
my lord, respondent number 6 has already filed a appeal. That was dismissed. Thereafter,
Respondent
they
number
have,
6.
yes, my lord, that is private respondent.
Mr. S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that against the order dated 4/12/2025, passed by the coordinate bench in WPC number. Oh, that matter I got it.
No, no. Because the order 28/11/2018.
28/11/2018, an appeal was filed, was instituted by the
Respondent number 6, that is my lord,
in
private.
the contempt.
Not in contempt, in the
No.
original petition.
By whom?
By one Kishore Kumar Teka, my lord. He was the
By the respondent number 6 in the writ petition, and the same has since been dismissed. So, it is submitted that the departmental authorities have or had also filed a delayed appeal, and the same was also dismissed while order dated 6/1/2026, imposing a cost of rupees 20,000
We have,
upon
we have preferred a review petition, my lord.
Review petition.
Huh?
Review petition, my lord.
for what? You prepared a report that was dismissed.
Yes, review, my lord, not appeal, my lord, review.
No, review petition. They
Yes.
had preferred a review petition, being review petition number 166/2023. So, in view of the said developments, registry is directed to list this matter again on 10/8/2026, on which date the respondent shall place before this court the compliance report.
Obliged.
Declare.
Yes, Mr. Decker.
My lord, it's a non-compliance of order dated 8/8/2023, my lord.
8/8/2025, yes.
23.
23.
The operative party is at page 106, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, they have appointed some petitioners, 241, sorry, 201, and the remaining 41, they have not appointed. So there's
Yes, 41, my lord, which we could not appoint, my lord, it is in because of when the verification was done to check their DLH certificate, my lord, in terms of the Honorable Court, Apex Court judgment, my lord. And there was a notification which was issued by the government for the purpose of verification. That notification was put under challenge. It has been upheld by the appeal division bench that we can check that. Now, but these 47 candidates, they have not appeared in the verification process and they have not
Pass
submitted.
the speaking order. Pass the speaking order, bring it on record, we'll see. On the prayer of Mr. P. Kaushik, Learned Counsel for the respondents.
Otherwise, this stand we have taken in our affidavit.
No. You bring it on record because you'll have to comply with that order, na?
Yes.
My
So
lord,
you that show the compliance. Then Mr. Deka will have the argument. How to argue, he will argue. Submits that the matter be taken up on 31/7/2026, by which date he shall bring on record the compliance report.
much obliged.
If it is impossible to be implemented, that's a ground for.
Yes.
Do it.
My lord, may I submit? My lord, it's not impossible.
Oh, Mr.
Yes, my lord.
That stage has not come.
Yes.
Why waste energy?
They have
You reserve that energy to bust out on that day.
much obliged.
Yes, 41, we have issued a speaking order lawsuits. Lawsuit has directed the disposal of the appeal order filed by the petitioner lawsuit. And that we have issued the speaking order.
Appeal disposed of.
It rejected the claim lawsuit. Citing that ground.
Mr. H.A. Loscott, S.B. Loscott, Learned Counsel for the Commission. Also heard Mr. S.M.T. Sisti, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondents. The petitioners, by way of instituting the present petition, has alleged violation of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 5/1/2024 in WPC number 7608/2023. So this court wide order dated 5/1/2024 had directed the respondent, the secretary to the government of Assam, Department of School Education, to take on record the appeal preferred by the petitioners on 13/9/2023, and after consideration of the contentions raised therein, and also on getting a field verification done, to dispose of the appeal by way of passing a speaking order. Mr. Chisti has placed on record a order dated 6/6/2024, passed by the secretary to the government of Assam Department of School Education, disposing of the appeal preferred by the petitioners herein. Also, in view of the above development taking place in the matter, this court is of the considered view that the directions passed wide the order dated 5/1/2024 has been complied with. Also, accordingly, the present contempt petition stands closed. The notices issued stand recalled. Also, petitioner is granted liberty to assail the order dated 6/6/2024, if so advised. A copy of the order dated 6/6/2024 is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of identification.
Highly obliged.
Writ petition. Yes.
Yeah, Lordship.
Where is the order? We want a review.
We have remixed it to the Lordship. Page number 14 in the IA Lordship.
1-4.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph 5 and 6 of our IA, we have explicitly stated Lordship. There is no any such.
How can we pass this order on an IA? How can we withdraw this order on IA? File a review petition.
Now, if you be under interlocutory order, Lordship,
And whatever it is,
there's not a final order of this honorable court, Lord.
as prayed for by the learned council body, but is raised it to discuss matter again after the ensuing summer vacations.
Yeah, Lordship.
Wait, please.
Where is the order? You want a modification of?
My lord, that's in page, starts from page 12, my lord. Here, lordship, basically, my lord,
What is the ground?
my lord, ground is, my lord, lordship took note of the earlier order in respect of the petitioner, my lord. In that writ petition, my lord, there was a my lord, this honorable court took note of the earlier order passed in a series of batch of writ petition, and said that this, since these issues are, the facts are similar, and therefore the termination order was cancelled, interfered with. Now, the earlier, the
But
order.
that interference is with a further stipulation that it is open to you to take fresh course of action in the matter.
But there, in fact, my lord, if your lordship will kindly see, my lord, the batch of writ petition where this actually the judgment was delivered, my lord, the basic ground was, my lord, that this petitioners being a.
There is a batch of writ petition. Then that was applied in a writ petition filed by the petitioner closed. This court from that applicant applied writ petition had derived this, right? Now what happened to that applied writ petition?
No, my lord, actually issue is like this, my lord. The petitioner claims to be appointed by the BTC authorities. And his claim is that he continued. All of a sudden, there was a termination order, which was put to challenge. This honorable court interfered with the termination order, taking note of a judgment where, my lord, the basic issue was, since the employees, the teachers.
Okay. Mr. Nat, you want to file an objection?
Yes, yes.
Okay. But Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the petition, issue notice, and Mr. S. Nath, learned counsel, and Mr. S. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the petition. No.
Yeah.
For the opposite party. Opposite party. Issue notice returnable on 7/8/2026. So, Mr. Nath is at liberty to bring on record an objection to the interlocutory application on or before 3/8/2026.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, my lord. Because, my lord, in the meantime, my interim prayer is that, my lord, my salary may be released. Because of the fact that.
When the very order is under challenge, let us get that over first, then we will see.
No.
Well, in fact, my lord, what
Earlier order
I
is not
could
under
understand, my
challenge, my
lord,
lord.
the issue
That is
which
only-
has to be decided in this writ petition is
Yeah,
well,
Lordship,
whether
see
the
prayer of the
petitioner
IA, prayer of the
is an employee under us or DBTC.
Now, BTC has raise their
No,
hand.
BTC cannot, my lord, because.
No, that is a different thing, that you two break head. But now, because earlier court, this court, what had come in because it was BTC. So he directed, go to the BTC.
Go to the BTC.
Now BTC says, we are not there.
Yes.
So it is you. We'll see.
Yeah.
So your lordship may see the prayer of the IA, my lord.
Give me 2 minutes. I'm just coming back. So he issued the, what do you call that? The show cause. But he also appeared as a witness. Show cause he is as directed by the EC. But he appeared as a witness. Now, in terms of the act, he is the secretary of the EC. So it's the same person who is the witness and also the judge. So on that point, he has raised.
At this stage, last day notice may be issued, we will clarify it.
Notice means you don't proceed then with the matter till the next date of this thing. Okay? Heard Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
Another petition in petition, another petition is pending. Petition also.
For on what count?
On 1-2-4-1-24.
On what
Challenging
count?
that departmental proceeding, lordship.
Oh,
Lordship, another petition is pending, lordship.
so stay there.
Lordship.
No stay there.
No state.
Then why should we stay this?
No state, lordship.
1-4?
I made a statement, my lord.
1-2-4-1-24, lordship.
1-2-4-1.
So lordship may take both the matter and come up on lordship.
1-2-4-1.
24, lordship.
I made a statement, my lord.
24.
No, fine, we got it.
24.
Heard Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N.J. Khatonia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Gauhati, Learned Standing Counsel, Dibrugarh University. Also, the petitioner in the present petition has presented a challenge to the inquiry report submitted in the matter by the inquiry committee constituted in pursuance to the show cause notice dated in pursuance to the departmental proceeding instituted against the petitioner while issuance of a show cause notice dated 30-9-2021. The petitioner has basically assailed the inquiry report on the ground that the registrar had issued the show cause notice to the petitioner and thereafter the registrar was also examined as a witness. So, it is projected that the inquiry report has been submitted to the petitioner and on the petitioner submitting his representation against the same, the matter would be placed before the executive council, wherein the registrar is again its secretary. Accordingly, he submits. Accordingly, it is projected by the petitioner that the judge and the prosecutor, as well as the witness in the matter, is the same person. So accordingly, alleging a bias, alleging prejudice, the present petition has been instituted. Also, Mr. K. Gauhati, Learned Standing Counsel, Dibrugarh University, at the outset submits that the petitioner has already instituted another writ petition being WPC number 1-2-1-2024, assailing the very initiation of the departmental proceedings against him, and the same is pending consideration before this court. So, this court noticing that the matter has not been finally considered by the disciplinary authority, and the petitioner has also not submitted a representation against the inquiry report, directs that the petitioner shall, within a period of 15 days from today, submit a representation against the inquiry report. So, thereafter, the disciplinary authority shall consider the inquiry report along with the materials coming on record in the inquiry and in the light of the representation submitted by the petitioner and arrive at its conclusions in the matter. So, it is further provided that the decision that would now be arrived at in the matter by the disciplinary authority would, however, be subject to the outcome of the present petition. So, registering to list this matter again after 4 weeks. Oh no, so, tar মাজot eta kobat likhi dibi. Issue notice, tolat baki etu, issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. K. Gogoi,
All the respondents.
the Learned Standing Council accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Sabisat baki gini ya. No formal notice is to be shown. Register to list this matter again after 4 weeks along with WPC number 1241/2024.
1241 was filed for continuation of suspension order. They have,
And DP also.
they have issued a continuation order.
With the designate spending,
It's pending, my lords.
But I said you are not challenged the department proceeding therein.
Earlier I have challenged, that was withdrawn, my lord.
Withdrawn.
That was withdrawn.
Nalage. Mr. Outside bile question hoy. Nalage. Ba enaka likha. Etu likhila nohoy. Petitioner has challenged so and so, so and so, so and so. Tar pisot likhila. Ba etu mari dia mong correction.
When it is also part of the departmental proceeding, DP, that's why.
When the show cause is not under challenge, it cannot be said that he has challenged the very institution. Here, it's only the inquiry report now, but don't consider the inquiry report without he submitting a representation.
Losi already indicated.
Indicated after that.
I have already submitted the
Representation already submitted.
the day before yesterday.
That is not on record, but.
It's not on record, my lord. It's not on record.
So, already submitted. You want to make some further points?
Yes, my lord.
That further liberty. More liberty. 15 days, further thing you do, thereafter you come.
Losi, will do.
Lord,
I thought judgment one, judgment further.
yes, Lord, it gave me liberty morning to say.
Upload
make
one
a-
night with order.
In regard to, my lord, the punishment order, is a very interesting and ticklish question of law. Indeed, it has come up. It was never worked in our mind. Lord, I came
That's
to-
why in the morning when I said you were not taking it, so I thought, okay,
My
fine,
lord,
why should I?
I realized learning never stops in this world. Every day we are
We
learning.
also learn
So
because
this is very interesting question, my lord, because
it goes to the root. Case number take one number. Hey, mane itu delivery of order. No. 6 factory.
other day, my lord, when it came up, I was out of station.
No.
And
That's
my-
why I kept it.
And my junior did not highlight this aspect
maybe
of the matter.
That did not get conveyed. Maybe I could not
And
convey.
today, I said regarding the age of my client, I said that I was not on this. Then I went to my room, I went through the order, punishment order. I realized it's a very interesting question. Now, therefore, my lord, whether a person who is perenniated in 2009, whether you can impose this punishment. That is the crux of the case, and I feel the thinking of your lordship is absolutely in the right direction, my lord. But then
You
I'll
support your that I have given you a food
I'll
for
take
thought.
some decision whether I can get in that respect.
Mr. S. Dr. Leonard, the matter was reserved for. Mr. S. Dr. Leonard, Senior Counsel appearing for the petition, submits that he be granted time till how? When do you want to make
My
it?
lord, whenever it comes up, my lord.
No. When you tell me, I'll fix the date.
After vacation, my
You
lord.
give me a date, Mr. Dr. as per your convenience.
Can it be on 23rd, my lord?
23/7/2026 to enable him to make submissions on the issue as to whether the order of penalty as imposed upon the petitioner, including the order now existing on modification of the original order, would be permissible to be so issued in respect of the petitioner who had already superannuated from his services on reaching the who would have otherwise retired from his services on reaching the age of superannuation in the year 2009. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 23/7/2026. Please inform Mr. Gogoi. He'll do that.
Much obliged.
disposed of. I'll pass the order.
Like,
Nothing more to submit. We'll fix it after the vacations for. So, heard the parties at length. Hearing concluded. Registry to list the matters for delivery of orders on 24/7.
Lordship may kindly consider our entitlement for provincialization of service.
We'll not consider. Only thing is that we will set it aside, remand back, madam. That let me see what I can do. Yes.
Lordship, I've got the instructions.
Where is the instruction?
Lordship will first take up the letter. Yesterday I have communicated, I have submitted that regarding submission of family pension in respect of the petitioner, Rajia Khatun, wife of so-and-so. My lord, reference district, the deputy inspector of schools, Mangalde, letter dated so-and-so reference. With reference, I am honored to state that your prayer petition or so-and-so has received on 25/5/26 and the proposal for family pension in respect of Rajia Khatun has already been submitted by the Deputy Inspector of Schools Mongolde to the Director of Pension Assam, via his letter dated under reference for the further necessary steps. The proposal has been sent, my lord, to the Director of Pension. That's what the second listing is, my lord, the whole this thing, my lord, and the last part, lordship, the chronologically the letters which are there corresponding, the second annex. And my lord, a detailed report also has been given in the last page.
Then why was this, if this was sent in 23, why was this not brought before this court? Why this unnecessary delay of 7-8 days have gone?
Lordship, I appeared on the last occasion for the
You
first
appearing will not do. I'm
lord,
talking through to you through to your client.
Mine.
Why was this aspect not brought before this court?
That's my lord, some my lord, oversight, my lord.
No, not oversight. Not oversight.
Right on our part.
Total casual approach.
My lord,
Yes, what happened to the proposal?
Well, thereafter, the proposal was sent on 2023.
Oh.
And I have an instruction of 2025, where the director of pension has asked for this original PPO from the Treasury Office. Because the name has to be changed. Madam.
Then what happened?
Then what happened to that effect? I do not have the instruction as of now.
My lord, now the situation has been changed, my lord, because the earlier wife has been died.
No, there still is a PPO.
Yes.
Both the copies have to be given so that they can process it further. Now, whether that thing has been given, get your instruction, we'll take it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Yes, my lord. At 2, my lord.
Not at 2.
Okay. Mr. Fukun, in terms of the directions passed by this court on 24/6/2026, has completed his instruction and has apprised this court that the pension proposal in respect of the petitioner was already submitted to the Director of Pensions Assam by the jurisdictional Deputy Inspector of Schools on 15/6/2023. Mr. G. Pegu, learned additional senior government advocate on instructions have submitted that the Director of Pensions on receipt of the pension proposal from the in favor of the petitioner had already required the jurisdictional treasury officer to return the PPOs earlier issued in the matter. PPO earlier issued in the matter. He submits that he be granted time till 15/7/2026 to place before this court the up-to-date instructions, the further developments taking place in the matter. Pray accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 15/7/2026, on which date Mr. Pegu shall apprise this court as to whether the PPOs as requisition have been received and a fresh FPPO has been issued in favor of the petitioner here.
I'm deeply obliged.
Pardon? এইটো ইয়াত কি হৈছে? এই কিবা থাকি গ'ল নেকি? এইটোহে আছে, এটাই আছে। এইটো দি দিলে হ'ল ন? আৰু যোৱাকালি গীত আছে।